Hello, dear friends. How are you? Yeah. Um, when someone asks me to custom sell LED, that usually everyone asks more, wants to custom is round or strip. So I'd like to show you more of our custom COBD round circular shape into the strips. Yes, I want to show you more of this. So today those smaller one, although small, but it can good explanation of our design ability. This one we have put the installation holes on both sides. On the bottom and below. From here it's like a moon, right? But its color is blue. It's a simple circular. This circular has some points of design, right? The first is round circle in the middle, and outside the circle around him, and some holes in the middle for installation. So whatever the strips or the round circular shapes you want to customer, let me know your ideas. Thank you.